from Amsterdam is Donald Pols. He's the director of the Friends of the Earth charity, and he's in the Netherlands, of course. Now, Donald, good to speak with you. Just explain to us why this decision is so important, not just for those communities in the Niger Delta, but for communities all over the planet where fossil fuel companies take from the land and pollute the land.
Now, to start off, this is fantastic news for the communities in Nigeria. After 13 years of legal procedures, they have been recognized in their rights in relation to the oil pollution by the multinational Shell. The impact of this court case is phenomenal. Up until this morning at 11 o'clock, before the court ruled, local communities and individuals in developing countries were without any right in their relation to multinationals. And the court has decided, and this is a legal precedent, that individuals and communities in developing countries can claim their right to normal human rights and environmental rights in relation to the activities of multinational Shell in the Netherlands.
And it's
phenomenal.
It's fascinating as well. Now, will those communities, if they want to try and claim against these multinationals, I'm thinking about sort of like Total, a French company, and other companies, maybe BP, British, American company, do they have to then file that suit in the jurisdiction where that company is based?
Indeed. Of course, our objective is to ensure that multinational companies recognize the rights of individuals and communities in developing countries beforehand, and that there's no reason to go to court. But I'm afraid that will continue to be a problem. And the impact indeed of this judgment is that multinationals are responsible for their activities in developing countries, but taken to court, the legal jurisdiction of the country in which they are based.
And now, Donald, as we mentioned, this case itself dragged on for 13 years. In that time, a lot has changed. People are more receptive to the idea of protecting the planet. And I'm thinking specifically about these multinationals, these fossil fuel companies. Do you get the sense that they have sort of changed the way they view their activities in the planet? A lot of them now have green agendas.
A lot of the green agendas are green marketing, green PR. And what we are addressing is their activities, their concrete activities, specific activities, and the impacts of their activities on the environment and communities. And unfortunately, that has not changed very much. What has changed is the legal environment, the opinion of general society. It's now broadly accepted within society that multinationals should be held to account for their activities in developing countries.
Okay, Donald Pols from Friends of the Earth in the Netherlands, thank you for being with us.